Are you familiar with the type of weapon this happens to be? This is a self-propelled mine-clearing vehicle used by the Russian military. The UR-77 Meteorit is an engineering marvel, designed to clear paths for tanks and infantry by detonating landmines and other explosives. It's equipped with a massive rocket launcher that fires a salvo of 32 rockets, each weighing around 50 kilograms. These rockets are specifically designed to destroy landmines by detonating them remotely from a safe distance. But that's not all. The UR-77 Meteorit is also equipped with a secondary weapon system. It has a 30mm automatic cannon that can be used to provide suppressing fire, making it a formidable weapon on the battlefield. The vehicle itself is a modified T-72 tank chassis with an armored cabin for the crew. It has a maximum speed of 60 kilometers per hour and can operate in temperatures ranging from -40 to +50 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a wide range of combat environments. The UR-77 Meteorit is operated by a crew of 3, including a driver, commander, and a specialist who operates the rocket launcher. The vehicle has a range of up to 500 kilometers and can operate for up to 72 hours without resupply. So there you have it. The UR-77 Meteorit, a powerful and awe-inspiring military machine. Its ability to clear paths through minefields and provide suppressing fire make it a valuable asset on any battlefield. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.